studying this online platform. And one of the main things of collecting emails is that the more emails I collect, the more money I make. And that is how I have been making, for example, these commissions here. So it's important for you to know that it takes time to start getting commissions. For example, when I started to promote this training, I started to have clicks, like 20 clicks, 25 clicks, and then I got my first referral, and maybe when I got my, let's say, like 25 referral, I have my first sale. So that is why affiliate marketing is a long-term business, because it takes time to start building your email list. But once you start collecting emails, some of those emails are going to click your affiliate links, and some of those uh, low percent is going to buy the products. That is why it's important to promote products that you believe. For example, I believe in this training, Freedom Accelerator. That is why I'm promoting this high ticket product. And also, I believe in this new platform, Secrets of Success. It has really good information about Think and Grow Rich and all these books that are important to have a good mindset. Now, let me show you. So when someone subscribes to my list, so ClickFunnels send that information to GetResponse, and uh, GetResponse collect that email, and for example, I have here 51 emails. Here I have 106 emails. And so when someone subscribes to my opt-in page, ClickFunnels send that information to GetResponse, and then GetResponse start to send emails automatically that I have written previously. And that is why this is a really powerful model, because once you have all these emails, for example, when someone subscribes to this list, GetResponse send these two emails. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and as you can see, there is a number 2 here. That means that there are 2 people in this step. Then GetResponse send the second email. Then GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day. I have 1 person in this step, and GetResponse is going to send the next day this email. And so inside of the emails, you need to write valuable information, and also you can promote, for example, your YouTube channel. So here I'm promoting my YouTube. Here with this email, I'm using this email to promote TubeBuddy, which is a software to do keyword search. Here I promote the 72-hour challenge. Here I promote the Secrets of Success, the referral program. And the way to build this email sequence is to click on Add Elements. Then you just need to drag and drop, for example, send a message, and you connect the dots. And in the wait command, you can put here as many days as you want to wait. For example, you can put 1, 10 days, or whatever the days you want. And then GetResponse is going to send another message. You just need to click on create new message, and you can create a new email. So I'm working on this email sequence, so that is why I put here 300 days, because I'm updating this sequence. And this method is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, because you promote multiple affiliate products and offers once you have the email. So I have here wait for 300 days, and I'm going to save and publish. So that is the system that I use to promote high ticket affiliate marketing products. And if you want to learn from this challenge, the price is $9. You can click the first link in the description. So they have these 2 lessons unlocked, and to watch the day number 3, you need to book a call with a business advisor. So this person is going to unlock the day number 3, which is the 3 secret traffic methods. So in the first day, you'll learn what is affiliate marketing, success stories, and why it's important to collect emails. So that is basically the day number 1. Day number 2 is how to build this system, this landing page with the email sequence. That is day number 2. And once you have set up all your funnel, you need to start sending traffic to it. And you can do it by creating content or paying ads. And there is a really cool way to start driving traffic to your funnel, which is the 5-second silent method, in which you can create videos between 5 and 15 seconds. And you can upload that same video on all your social media: Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Pinterest. Also, you can use the other traffic methods to have results. So remember that to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to put in the work. It's important to have your own domain to build your own brand. And once you start collecting emails, it's a matter of time to start getting sales. But you need to know that it takes time. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.